Here's question 22, and you know, for these questions, you must analyze the graph. Now, you have no choice. Or you can guess, but don't guess. Let's see. Greek's trade position with the EU and Russia. Okay, what's the question? What happened to Greek trade balances over this period? So I just start looking. Balance with the EU. The balance with the EU, imports from EU, exports from EU, the balance with the EU was trade position decreased, so might be an increased deficit, not sure. Oh, imports from EU, exports to EU. Oh, actually, their deficit decreased, so no. Let's see, B, an increased surplus. Let's see, 22, well, no, there's not a surplus because they are importing more from the EU than they export to the EU. So it's not an increased surplus, but it is a reduced deficit, right? The deficit was here from about 12 to 35. So I'd say a 23 deficit there. And here the deficit is about 15. So C, and let's check. Looks like C is the answer. Let's check the balance with Russia. An increased deficit. Let's see. Imports from Russia. Exports to Russia are here. And they're nothing. And the deficit, it looks like a slightly increased deficit with Russia. So the answer for 22 is C. Just looking at graphs. Oh no, here's more graphs. Here's question 23. And this graph shows the changes in the exchange rates of the pound against the US dollar. Okay, this is pounds per dollar. Oh, this is pounds per dollar. And wait, this is inverted. And pounds per euro. But this is inverted. Why? So which statement is correct? Let's see. The pound appreciated against the dollar and the euro. Pound appreciated. No. The pound depreciated. Let's see. Oh, yes, it did. Appreciated against the pound and the euro. That's pounds per euro. No, that's dollars per pound. That's dollars per pound. So cost for the pound depreciated against the dollar. So A is not true. Let's try B. The pound appreciated against the, no, we already showed that the pound depreciated against the dollar. You need fewer dollars to buy pounds in year 2 and 3. So A and B cannot be true. What about C? The pound depreciated against the dollar. Yes. Oh, so these are true. And the euro. See what they did there? This is an inverted scale. So instead of the numbers getting smaller, they get bigger. So these graphs show that the pound depreciated against the dollar and the euro during this time period. This is an inverted scale. So in other words, if it were not inverted, it would look something like, it would look something like da, right? So the answer for 23 is C.